Alright, so we can see here we've got our iPhone 12 and the battery life is at 100%. We're going to go up to Smart Flash and download the 18.0 where you click on anti-recovery flash mode. Having selected the 18.0 and then flash, and we're going to hit fix battery health during flash. If you had data on the phone, this one doesn't, but if you had data on the phone, you'd want to do backup now. You can do it in the toolbox beforehand, but you want to make sure that you've taken care of the data side of things. And so now we'll hit flash and we'll let it do its thing. It says fixing battery wealth, whatever that means. It's supposed to be health. Alright, so it's rebooting again for the second time, which means it's not necessarily liking my tag on flex. I'm ready to try it one more time without the tag on flex. See if it works. Now, alright, so it looks like we're rebooting again. We'll see what it wants to do now. I think what we'll do, we'll try to run it just without the battery fix. We'll do quick flash mode. What the heck, we'll just flash it without it for now and see what happens. Alright, so the phone is back at 76%. I'm going to try to see if we can put the tag on flex back in and try it again and see what happens. Alright, so with the tag on flex connected yet again, it was there for 100%. Now it says, hey, I'm going to restart the phone. Now it's coming back on. Alright, let's see what it says when it decides to connect. And that's weird. You can see now it's seeing 100% in the details. Battery life with charts chimes at 0 here. So with the tag on flex installed, with it showing 100% right now in battery life, what I'm going to try to do is, without doing like the quick or the anti-recovery flash method, or you can select this. I want to see, because it always hung up there, I want to see what happens if with the tag on flex we do fix flash, and we'll see what happens. Oh, right, going back to the device, it still says 100% and 0 times, but in the settings we still have our 76%. So I've basically tried it every single way I can with 3 tools. If this last time doesn't work, then we're going to go to iTunes and see if a restore there will fix it. To download the latest version of iTunes on my computer. Well, once that's installed, you can restore it. And let's go and restore the phone. And see what happens. Agree. And we'll let this process run and we'll see if it fixes it. Hopefully it does this time. Okay. Alright, so after a iTunes restore, let's see if anything has changed. Alright, we'll bypass everything and we'll get started. Let's go into the settings and see if our battery health is still at 76%. Probably. At 100%. Yes. Okay.